It is Monday morning, and the good part and the sweet part about Monday morning is where we personally come here to share with you how you can grow, getting your 1,000 subscribers, your 4,000 watch hour, get monetized, and start making money on YouTube. I will still keep saying it. No matter the means you get your subscribers on YouTube, it is not the fact that you will not be getting views to your channel. You can still get views on your YouTube channel, even if you do follow for follow, sub for sub, from Telegram or from any east, west, north, and south. Now, one of the things that can actually help those subscribers to magnet and help YouTube to recommend a lot of your content out there is number one. Do content that are valued pack content. Do content that people are searching for. Do content that is sellable. Look out for niches that you know that they are comfortable niche that you can do, and a lot of people are out there searching for this particular thing. That is the first thing. Now, the second thing that you're going to be doing is ensure that your titles are searchable and clickable titles. Your titles are searchable and clickable titles. And this is not me telling you that you should go ahead to go do clickbaiting of putting cup while you're showing rice. This is simply me telling you that look out for what your competitors are doing according to their title and try to revolve around it with that same kind of content. If you have a searchable and a clickable title, trust me, there is no way people are not going to click. The third thing you are going to do to ensure that you are standing still on this place is to ensure that everything concerning your YouTube studio is well set. Your recommendation button on your YouTube studio is well set. You're putting your end screens and cards on all your videos for more recommendation. You are creating your playlist sequentially and arranging them according to the content that you have. Trust me, if you have all of these things in place, views will not be your problem, subscribers will not be your problem, and watch hour will not be your problem. Now, the fourth thing is, do not try to give up on your channel. No matter how you're seeing the views, no matter how you're not seeing the subscribers, no matter how YouTube is taking down those subscribers that you're trying to get. Because at the end of the day, if you give up on your channel, we are still going on YouTube, we are still going to be achieving what we are supposed to achieve. Meanwhile, you on your own end, you are still going to be in the same position. And before you might eventually realize it is 3 years gone, it is 2 years gone, it is 4 years gone, where at the end of the day, you are supposed to be getting a lot of things that you're supposed to be getting. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine. If it's time to do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. Now, the first sweetest way that you can get your subscribers in less than any minutes, according to what we've been doing here, is that if you do not know, we have a Telegram group. That with our Telegram group, and it is free, you're not paying a dime for you to join the Telegram group. Because I see some people sending me text message like, Vibe with Sonia, how do I join? How much do I pay to join the Telegram group? And I said Telegram group is free. So if anybody is deceiving you that you have to pay before you join my Telegram group, the person is actually lying to you. And that Telegram group will have over 3,000 people there, where we personally come as content creators to support each other, to help each other grow our page, to help each other achieve the monetization. And now, please, if you're already monetized on YouTube, you do not need to join the Telegram group, because I see some monetized pages on YouTube joining the Telegram group. It is not for people that are monetized. When you are monetized, if you want to join, you can join, because there is a community there for you in case you have a new channel. But when you are monetized, you don't need to join Telegram group again. What you need to do is to be creating your content consistently, content that can help you grow on YouTube, content that can skyrocket your channel to the next level. You understand? Because if you keep accumulating more subscribers, at the end of the day, you're not going to be achieving anything, because subscribers are not going to come and start watching your videos over and over again. You get? So that's one for our Telegram group. The second way to get your 1,000 subscribers, easy, quick, sweet, and possible, is Shorts. Shorts has the tendency to travel far. Shorts has everything it takes for him to go to the journey that you are not even expecting to send them to. So I wonder why some persons will tell you that, oh, Shorts is actually killing your channel. If you're looking for subscribers, upload Short. I still upload Shorts at this point that I am. And if you do not know, YouTube Shorts even pay better than all other Shorts on Facebook or on TikTok or any other places that you're creating Shorts. So if your long form videos cannot do the job for you now, let your shorts do the job for you. And if you're uploading shorts and at the same time you're uploading the same kind of content on your long form videos, share the link to your short end so that people that are watching the short end can actually come to your long form videos to actually watch your videos. I've gotten countless subscribers just coming from shorts alone. It didn't stop me from going viral. It didn't stop my videos from performing very well. It didn't stop me from getting the audience and the engagement that I simply need. So upload shorts. Upload shorts. It will help you a long way. Now, the third way is getting to all of those small group like the comment section. A lot of people are engaging from the comment section massively. A lot of people have personally come to my live stream to thank me and said, Vibe with Sonia, thank you so much for making me to achieve this from the comment section end. I have been able to achieve so amount of subscribers. I've been able to achieve so amount of followers. I've been able to make friends. The only problem that a lot of people have is they just want to go there and be like, oh, I am done. I have subscribed. Come and subscribe. Don't be among those people that will be doing that. Engage in people's content even when they are not engaging. Don't be scared. Don't only limit this to my comment section. Make your interaction more longer in the comment section, even without just my videos. On other of your favorite content creators' videos, be regular on YouTube because you want to actually achieve what you want to achieve. As YouTube is seeing your own engagement on people's posts, and at the same time you are creating content and people are engaging on your content, even if it's one or even if it's two, at the end of the day, achieving those subscribers that you're looking at for will definitely not be a problem for you. Now, another place that a lot of people do not know that they can get subscribers from is through Instagram. You see, Instagram, they have other smaller communities on Instagram that a lot of people can get subscribers from. Go to all of those small communities, join, ask questions how things are being done, and there is no way you're not going to be achieving all of your desire that you're so willing to achieve. And another thing I will tell you is, if you have gotten your 1,000 subscribers already, then you don't need to start running up and down to start looking for 1,000 subscribers. What you need to do now is to focus on how you can get your 4,000 watch hour. And if you do not know how to get your 4,000 watch hour as quick, simple, easy, and possible, let me know in the comment section. We are going to be bringing out more new strategies for you to be able to get your 4,000 watch hour. My desire for you is to see you grow on YouTube. If you have not uploaded videos today, you are wrong. If you're about to give up on your channel, do not give up because you are going to be at loss. Just keep doing consistently what you know how to do best. Choose content niches that is comfortable and at the same time it is sellable. I won't stop emphasizing on that word sellable. And trust me, you will not regret joining YouTube. If you have not subscribed to my channel and this is the first time you're coming across my video, my name is Sonia and you're watching Vibe with Sonia, where I personally bring all the vibes on your table. In this particular channel, I help content creators grow, not only grow on YouTube, but also make money with other websites and apps. Anyways, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. If you also want us to actually check what is happening, what is not happening, what you can minus, what you can add on your channel, or you want us to do some of your channel YouTube settings, or you want us to personally coach you on one-on-one, this is where you can check out our mail that has been displaying here, fitamaja3195@gmail.com, and send us a DM. Now, the next thing you need to do is check out this flyer to see which particular coaching that is suitable for you. Anyways, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying and I'll see you guys in my next one. Keep growing and thank me later. Bye for now. I love you guys. Mwah.